pack up everything, take it outside, and dump it. My favorite holiday is Christmas. I like Christmas decorating and stuff. All the other holidays I'm not a fan of. An unpopular opinion, my kids are never going to believe that a white man, overweight, fat belly, big gut man is gonna come through the window and give them presents. So I'm trying to figure out where I want these two pictures. I'm thinking, because I don't like the spacing at how much space it takes up. There's no space in between the bed head and there. I'm going to actually put them here, Melania. As soon as I start talking, she's always do this. I'm gonna put them over here, right where the lamp is, and then I'm gonna put a smaller one in the middle. These are pictures that we already have that I'm trying to work into our house. I love these pictures because they're black women, of course, and I love the color scheme. I'm thinking I would add some orange or brick red decorative pillows, and it will just fit in perfectly because this have silver and gold in it and it goes well with the furniture. But the colors on here, there's nothing really tying it into the bedroom. So I'm thinking adding some decorative pillows that are like brick red or orangey will do the trick for fall. And then for spring, I can probably do rose gold or something. But yeah, before I do that though, I need to return 2 of these items to Amazon. This dress didn't fit Milani and this shirt didn't fit Makai. I keep forgetting that Makai is actually 2. I keep forgetting that Makai is not 2 anymore. He's 3. So this is 2T and it didn't fit him. It was short and he didn't wear it. And this dress is also too tiny for her. I had to get Milani a 2T, which fits her better. So yeah, once I return those and I get my refund, I'm probably gonna get some decorative pillows that are like orangey or brick red and decorate the bed over with those. And I'm also gonna change out the sheet. I don't like the sheet or the throw. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do with the throw. I'll probably put it in the living room, but the sheet is not giving me what I wanted to give, so I'm gonna convert back to my beige or tan sheets. That's what I had on, but the kids dirty up my tan sheet and I can't get the stain out no matter what I do. So I'm actually going to buy a new tan sheet and they won't be allowed to eat on my bed. That's why I need a like bench area over there, so if they're in here and they want to eat or drink something, they can sit on the bench and do it and not be on my bed. But that's probably what we're gonna do this week. Until then, I'll see you guys later. So I have 3 wigs I need to wash and prep for fall winter content. So that is what we're gonna do right now while I have the time. So these are the wigs. So this is a black wig. This is like my go-to wig, especially if I don't have anything done to my hair and I need to film content. I throw this wig on. This wig is from a black owned brand, and absolutely love this wig so much. I'm probably gonna dye her into another color. I don't know what yet. Something fall appropriate, probably like a 99J or something cool. I find that I don't wear this wig a lot. I don't know if it's because the blonde, and I'm not really fan of blonde on me, so I'm gonna color her at some point. I'll definitely show you guys when I do. And then this is the wig I wore for my birthday. This wig actually needs to be recolored. As you can see, the ends are kind of green, and the reason why the ends are green is because I tried to take the stains off the lace because I did a watercolor method, and it actually, the remover took out some of the color, so I need to re-dye this. So yeah, let's get into washing these wigs. I'm probably gonna dye them tomorrow and prep them, so let's wash them first.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
sorting them. So this box is gonna go to Plato's closet because they have new stuff and stuff that have tags on them. This stuff are stuff that I'm gonna keep for my cousins in Jamaica. Stuff that I know they'll like and that they will wear. This stuff is going to Goodwill. I'm trying to clean up and you're trying to make a mess. I'm gonna keep this. It says, baby comes home to me. So May 2017, the 26th is when he came home. These are notes that Dave used to leave in the house when I went to work. I'm gonna read this one. It says, you are my lover and my friend. I love you and I hope our relationship can blossom into something to be proud about years from now. I love you, baby. Baby, maybe. And he drew a little picture of me pregnant. I love you, baby. I'm just gonna pack up everything, take it outside, and dump it. I'm finally done. So this is the stuff for Plato's Closet. This is the stuff for Goodwill donation. This is stuff that I'm keeping. Sentimental stuff like my love letters from Babe and stuff like that. And this right here is going in the trash. So that is a day well spent. I washed my wigs. I cleaned up. Yesterday I actually cleaned the whole house. Went through my cabinets and cupboards and my where I keep my extra linens and stuff and cleaned that up. So today is just finishing it off. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. The kids are watching something. So I'm gonna show that out. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow when I go drop that stuff off from Goodwill and actually go to Plato's Closet to go see if they'll buy that stuff from me. And what they don't buy, I'll probably sell on Poshmark or something. So yeah. This is what I mean when I say organize this. So all our towels are right here. Our face rag and table face rag, and the longer bigger ones are right there. Shower and bathroom stuff. I just have a blanket here, and I have tissue in this box right here, and some extra stuff like ear cleaner, face pad, and then down here I have extra soap, dial soap, toothbrush, antibacterial soap, deodorant. I have a first aid kit because we have kids, my teeth whitener, and then I have a whole leap of sanitizer. So yeah, I have errands to run today. I need to go drop off some stuff at Amazon. I need to go to Goodwill and drop off some stuff, and then I need to go get some fall decorations. My favorite holiday is Christmas. I like Christmas decorating and stuff. All the other holidays I'm not a fan of. An unpopular opinion, my kids are never going to believe that a white man, overweight, fat belly, big gut man is gonna come through the window and give them presents, or there's a little tiny tooth fairy white girl with long hair with a green dress on that's gonna give them $1. They're gonna know out the gate me and their dad that bought them that gift. I don't believe in that. I don't think it's fair to children. I know the whole make-believe stuff is good for development and stuff, but after a while, there's nobody that's in this world that's gonna come give you anything for free, okay? And I'm not gonna tell my kids to believe in stuff like that. So I went to Home Goods, Michael's, and Dollar Store. And from Michael's I got this. I'm gonna put this outside. It's a fake one. And this was $19.99. And it's a medium size. Saving all my receipts because I actually scan my receipts and get points. And I got, this is kind of bent. What? My stuff is bent. I got these flowers right here from Home Goods. I got this. The flowers were $12.99 and the pumpkin, and this was $5.99. At the dollar store, you can get whatever you need. I got this. I got this. So I picked up 2 pieces from Zara, which I'm gonna show you guys, and a swimsuit from Amazon. Snatching your girl. This color, this dress is giving what it's supposed to give, darling. So this is the fall decor. I told you where the pumpkin was. The candle is from Eagle Lake. That was a place in Texas that we stayed, and I've kept it. I was telling babe that that candle is as old as Kai because I got it when I was pregnant with Kai. And then the pillows you see here are from Amazon. I switched out the pillows because I feel like the other pillows go better in the room, and you'll see that later. I also put the throw blanket out here because I feel like it goes better out here, especially with the couch. And this is my fall decor. So for the entryway, we fixed the entryway and we put some privacy window film on the windows, on the door. I absolutely love it. It allows so much light to come in the house, and my kitchen is way more brighter, and I love that because if I'm filming cooking videos, I don't have to put so much lighting or artificial lighting in. the kitchen. And then this is our beloved table, dining room table. I've had this dining room table for forever and I love it, and we are actually going to change it out soon, but my taste is very expensive. And so the dining room set that I really want, I'm gonna have to wait a bit for it, but for now, it's doing the job. I love this table. It's been with us forever, and it do the job. Don't pay attention to all the stuff you see in the background. I need to get rid of our old canvases that was in our old home, and I also need to put up our curtain. So this is the bedroom, and I put up our old canvases that was in our living room from our last house in my bedroom because I absolutely love them and I don't want to get rid of them. And I put the pillows that you saw previously in the living room in here, and the throw blanket. My kids were having the throw blanket all over the house, all over the floor, running with it on their face. So I decided to put it on my bed because it goes well with the decor as far as the canvases are concerned. So, and the canvas actually ties in all the other colors in my bedroom set, like the gold and also the curtain that's at the window to the pool area. So I absolutely love it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching me washing my wigs and cleaning up, organizing, and doing my fall decor. I'll see you guys next week, same place, same time. I love you guys. Deuces.